everyone, welcome back to a GCSE physics video specifically on energy stores and systems by SMARTPATH Tutoring. Energy is transferred between stores. When energy is transferred to an object, the energy is stored in one of the object's energy stores. The energy stores that you need to know are thermal energy stores, kinetic energy stores, gravitational potential energy stores, elastic potential energy stores, chemical energy stores, magnetic energy stores, electrostatic energy stores, and nuclear energy stores. Energy is transferred between these stores. Energy is transferred mechanically, by a force doing work, electrically, work done by moving charges, by heating, or by radiation. When a system changes, energy is transferred. A system is just a fancy word for a single object, for example, the air in a piston, or a group of objects, for example, two colliding vehicles that you're interested in. When a system changes, energy is transferred. It can be transferred into or away from the system because different objects in the system or between different types of energy stores. Closed systems are systems where neither matter nor energy can leave or enter. The net change in the total energy of a closed system is always zero. Energy can be transferred by heating. Take the example of boiling water in a kettle. You can think of the water as a system. Energy is transferred to the water from the kettle's heating element by heating into the water's thermal energy store, causing the temperature of the water to rise. You can also think of the kettle's heating element and the water together as a two-object system. Energy is transferred electrically to the thermal energy store of the kettle's heating element, which transfers energy by heating to the water's thermal energy store, or by doing work. Work done is just another way of saying energy transferred. They're the same thing. Work can be done when current flows. Work is done against resistance in a current or by a force moving an object. The initial force exerted by a person to throw a ball upwards does work. It causes an energy transfer from the chemical energy store of a person's arm to the kinetic energy store of the ball and arm. A ball dropped from a height is accelerated by gravity. The gravitational force does work. It causes energy to be transferred from the ball's gravitational potential energy store to the kinetic energy store. The friction between a car's brakes and its wheels does work as it slows down. It causes an energy transfer from the wheel's kinetic energy stores to the thermal energy stores of the surrounding. In a collision between a car and a stationary object, the normal contact force between the car and the object does work. It causes energy to be transferred from the car's kinetic energy store to another energy store, e.g., the elastic potential and thermal energy stores of the object and the car body. Some energy might also be transferred away from the sound waves. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.